Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Cross Street Classics. We're back at our 65 Mustang build. Our last video we painted the engine compartment. So this has been sitting for about a week here. We had some other stuff going on around the complex. So what we're going to do today is we're going to work on installing the brake lines. Got a brake line kit. And we're going to put the power brake booster and master cylinder back on. Now, the car had a power brake conversion with a dual master cylinder conversion already installed, but you can see it had leaked, pretty crummy inside, and pretty nasty looking here on the booster. So don't really want to take any chances of having fluid inside here and ruining the diaphragm, so we're going to just install a whole new system for what it costs to give you peace of mind, because they're not exactly the easiest thing to install once they're completely in the car. So we got a complete new system from CJ Ponies, and we're going to get this installed here and build the car back up. Alright guys, so typical of my kind of luck, this box was pretty beat up when it got here. Never even thought about looking inside. I don't know if there's some pieces missing or what, but a lot of the bags are open. So we're gonna just keep going on with this here. Looks like everything may be here. Might be missing a few fasteners, but we'll deal with that. No instructions either, and I'm not sure if instructions are included with this, but there's nothing in this box. So we're gonna make this measurement the same from the center of this hole to the face of the booster compared to this one, and should be good. All right, so we have our booster mounting brackets in place. These bolt through into the brake pedal assembly through the firewall, so that's going to be in there first for that attached to. So now we're going to put the brake booster in and attach the hardware to the back, and we're going to hook up the push rod. We're going to put a nut on the back just to hold it in place from falling off. Okay. Now we'll go under the dash and hook our push rod up to the pedal and put the rest of the hardware on. Alright guys, so we got our booster all mounted up here. Yeah, I had to mess around a little bit with the push rod, but other than that, everything went pretty good. Got the master cylinder mounted to it. There's a good bit of clearance here. Not a ton, but enough to where it's workable. I saw some reviews that said there was no clearance and they had to modify this or whatever. I have a suspicion that maybe these brackets were installed upside down, but we have no issues here. So that's going to conclude this video of the power brake conversion for the 65 Mustang. Stay tuned. Our next video here, we're going to run the brake lines and do some other fun stuff. So appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.